Will I be able to do so? Will I be able to pass this bridge with the mast up? I will bring you to Breda in this tour. I have never been to Breda, and that is because of the size of the boat. Because of this size, it is difficult in the Netherlands to plan a tour because of many bridges that are fixed on a height of, let's say, 4 meters, 430, 480, etc., etc. And even with the mast down, I really need 530. I found out that I can go to Breda because all the bridges towards Breda are able to open up for me. And if not, then at least I can drop the mast and pass under it because of 530. So yeah, I would say, care to join? Go on then. Although I already used 400 liters, there is still 2000 liters in the tanks at the moment, so that gives an extra depth. And it could be possible I can pass this bridge with the mast up. Will I be able to do so? Will I be able to pass this bridge with the mast up? So, do you care to join me upstairs when we try? Let's take the VHF with us. What's next? The camera, of course, and then the whole setup. Anything behind me? No, of course not. I already checked that, but just to be sure. Yeah. Started to rain 2 hours ago. Yeah, that is typical weather, of course. Perhaps he called me. Ja, Lady Lieselot. Neem me niet kwalijk, ik was even onderweg naar de flybridge. Ik ga zo, de bridge operator. The bridge operator made the call. How are we doing? Well, we know in a second. We will know in a second. I will show you if it fits. Slowly. Not fit, unfortunately. Okay, I have to lower the mast. It's always heavy. Yeah, I know it's a good exercise, but still. All right. Nee, ik kom 10 centimeter tekort. Size does matter. Ja, dat is een kwestie van even een minuutje en dan heb ik hem plat. Dan kom ik eraan. And it starts to rain also. I am from Sugar. Fantastisch, hartelijk dank voor de service.
boulevard.
And we will keep the mast down for the bridge. So, what a journey, what a journey! Excitement all over. And teak is green on the flybridge, so it is very, 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 very slippery. Very slippery indeed. Woof. So, ready. When I was upstairs, I told you about the rain earlier this evening, and then all of a sudden there was this rain again. Somebody must have listened and thought, well, Henk-Jan is talking about it, so why not give him what he wants? Yeah, that's a good example of manifestation. If you are familiar with those kinds of things. And over here we have train bridge number 1 with a height of 7 meters. Silly. Having fun, me, myself and I. Oh, and yeah, the camera is recording it. Oh, so you are part of my funny jokes. Well, I think it was funny because it made me laugh. Silly. On board, there is this sign saying you are allowed to moor over here. And I wanted to continue the journey a little bit further, but I decided on the spot that I will moor over here. I think there is room for 2 times Lady Lieselot, so we talk about 30 meters. Yep. Nice. So, ready and fixed. Nice. Because the sign over there says you are not allowed to park your boat from that sign and further on towards the bridge. But that means that I am allowed over here to moor. Navigation lights off. And my anchor light on. When the situation is so that one cannot see the boat very well, you have to lit your anchor light. And I did so. Juliana locks in Gouda. One boat is already waiting. And off camera I had contact with the locks and they said you can use the starboard gate. Or is it in that case the starboard lock? Or is it the starboard chamber? Please let me know. Every time I want to learn a little bit more English going the way, along the way. So is it the chamber? Is it a lock? Or is it what was the first word that I used? Oh man. Hi and welcome. So, touchdown. I had to reach very far. Where is your life vest? Here's my life vest. Why are you not wearing it? I know. Let's have a look. The water piles up, so we are, what's the word? Rising. Rising. Did you see what happened? Of course you saw it, because it was on the camera. Because of the silly small bollard I chose. The moment that I straightened the line, it fell off. And now it's on a way bigger bollard. Oh, we are already ready. Nice. And then the end of the video always appears sooner than you think. Here it is. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you liked it. And if you do, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. For now, thank you very much. If you have not yet already, please subscribe to the channel. And do I see you in the next video? Alright then, bye bye!